Hi you, the one watching this video. If you're a beginner motovlogger or even a small content creator, wondering whether your gears can actually earn, this is the video. While my channel was completely inactive, no videos, no upload, no promotion, my Amazon storefront earned 118 rupees. That's right, Indian rupees. Now that's not a lot, I know that, but I did absolutely nothing to earn it. I was just focused on my marriage, my family, and the last couple years, YouTube was the last thing on my mind. And something was still earning. Now that's not luck. That's a program almost no Indian creator even knows about. Almost. And even fewer have actually applied for it. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what that is. Whether you are eligible right now or how I got approved for it. Stay with me. First, what actually is this? Most Indian creators who heard of Amazon thinks of Amazon Associates. You get a link, you put it in your description, someone clicks it, and you earn a small commission. That's another layer of the side hustle stack in this playlist. I covered that in the other videos in the series. The Amazon influencer program is different, completely different. I call it the silent storefront. Instead of individual links scattered across descriptions, you get your own page on Amazon India. A personalized storefront in your name, your recommendations, your curated products. And here's what makes it another worthy layer of the side hustle stack. Amazon's own search algorithm can surface your product, your storefront, and your product review videos to buyers who've never even heard of you. People who are already inside Amazon, already searching, already ready to buy. You're not sending your audience to Amazon. Amazon is sending their audience to you. That's not an extra step. That's an entirely different income source. When I first found out about this program, I had 3 questions, and I'm guessing you have the same ones. Question 1. Do I need a huge following to apply? Answer is no. Amazon looks at engagement more than follower count. A channel with 4,000 real engaged subscribers can get approved over a channel with 40,000 silent ones. I got approved with this channel. To be honest, there is no actual official minimum number. Question 2 is, can I apply with YouTube? And the answer is yes. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook all work. Apply with whichever account has your most active audience. For us, that's YouTube. And question 3, do I need to show my face or be a certain type of creator? No. Amazon accepts all niches. Motovloggers, tech reviewers, home creators, educators, anyone. You don't even need to show your face. You just need honest, useful content about the product you genuinely use. Now for the real part, how to get approved. This is what you, the viewer, has actually stayed for. So here's how I applied and actually got approved. Step 1. Go to Amazon India and search Amazon Influencer Program. It's the first result, click apply. Step 2. Sign in with your Amazon account and connect your YouTube channel. That's it for the application, it takes 5 minutes at the most. Step 3. Amazon just reviews your channel. They look at engagement, content quality, and the consistency, not just your subscriber count. And step 4, and this is the part most people skip. Once approved, you don't just add product links and walk away. Record short video reviews directly on Amazon's platform. These get placed on the actual product listing pages, shown to buyers at the exact moment they're deciding whether to purchase. For example, I reviewed the exact mic I clipped onto my helmet. That one product review is sitting on my Amazon storefront page right now, earning commissions every time I write. That's why 118 rupees came in while I wasn't even uploading. Old product reviews sitting on Amazon's listing pages, earning commission from buyers I never reached through YouTube. Here's why I'm sharing this right now as one of the most important chapters of the side hustle stack, because that 118 rupees changed how I see everything. Not because of the amount, because of what it proved. The mechanism that while I was being a husband, while my family was my priority, something I built quietly kept working. And when I came back to this channel and opened my Amazon dashboard, I realized the hardest part of monetization was already done. I didn't start from zero. I started from everything I'd built without realizing it. And that's exactly what the next chapter of this channel is about. I'm calling it restarting, not a highlight reel, a live transition every week in public. If you want to watch that journey and maybe walk alongside it, subscribe and comment restart below, because in the coming weeks we go back to the beginning, and this time I have an idea of what not to do. So I have something that I actually know about what I'm doing. Subscribe, yo.